This video is sponsored by Utsource. If you need any type of electronics components, please visit Utsource link in video descriptions. Here you will find any type of electronics components. Simply search your electronics components in the search box, add your components cart, select your quantity and choose shipping service, and then proceed to checkout. They also offer global shipping service, so you can deliver anywhere in the world.